Stock number 40687B. It's a 2016 Cadillac CTS. It does have a key, it does not start. You can see the hood is smashed, bumper's no good, the grill's no good, the headlight's not there. Can't get the hood up, it's stuck. See that fender that's bent a little bit right there. Got a little surface scratch on the back door. Surface scratches up there. Back here on the rear bumper. On the deck lid. All the seat belts are locked. The driver, the roof, knee, steering wheel airbags deployed. Passenger dash and roof airbags deployed. It does have a key. It does not start. It's got the paddle shifters. Passenger knee airbag too. So both the driver and the passenger knee airbags. Again, this is stock number 40687B. It is a 2016 Cadillac CTS. It does have a key, it does not start.